Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your tabletop, your machine tabletop. You can see this one is separate. It is separate. I'm going to show you how to fix it. So if this is what you like to watch, then keep on watching while I walk you through the process of doing that. So if you are new here, you are welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon so you won't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's get this video started. So the first thing you are going to do is to grab the machine table, the one you want to replace, and position it on the machine leg this way. Ensure that the wheel, the round wheel there, is in line with the hole here. Make sure you position it well so that you can see the wheel through the hole there. Just position it nice. Then take the sewing machine head and position it on top of the machine to check if you are getting what you are doing. Just check it. Next, take your sewing machine rope and pass it through the hole as if you are fixing your machine rope. If you do not do this or follow this step, my dear, while sewing, your sewing machine rope will be coming out of the wheel and you will not be comfortable then. So save yourself the stress and follow this process. The next thing is to ensure that our table is equal so that we don't have it shift or bend one side. In order to do that, we need to measure it with a measuring tape or use our hand to gauge it. So you see this place, this is where I'm talking about. This edge, you will measure it and ensure that you have the same thing. Like me, I have 2 1/4 there, and when I measure the other side, I have the same 2 1/4 there. Then you do the same thing at the back. Measure it. Ensure that they are all equal. When they are all equal, then you are going to take your screw nail to hold the table and the leg together. Okay, the one I'm going to use today, this screw nail, is one I removed from my old machine table. There is a hole on this machine leg here, so screw the nail there and ensure it is very tight and firm. Do the same thing to all the 4 sides of this machine leg. Okay, just do the same thing. Tight it and make sure they are firm and strong. Then you are good to go. So guys, we are done fixing the sewing machine table, and as you can see, it is strong and firm. I hope you have been able to learn 1 or 2 things from this video. If you do, give this video a like, share it to people who will need it, and leave a comment in the comment section if you have any. I will see you guys in my next video where I will show you how to fix your machine rope. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and join the community. Until I see you in my next video. Bye for now.